If you think spinach is boring, think again. Today I'm showing you how to make Sierra Leone style spinach stew. Thank you so much to all my subscribers for your amazing support. Let's get started. I already pre-washed the fish thoroughly with lime and vinegar to remove any unwanted odor and slime. Rinse well, drain off the excess water, then season the fish with your favorite spices. Make sure every piece is evenly coated. Then set it aside for a minute so it can be marinated while you work on the other vegetables. Wash your fresh spinach thoroughly, rinsing it several times until it's completely clean. Allow it to drain any excess water. Gather the spinach into a manageable bunch and slice into bite-sized pieces using your sharp knife. You can also use a cutting board to chop the spinach. Repeat this process until you're done cutting all your spinach. When you are done chopping, set the spinach aside while you prepare the remaining ingredients. These are the rest of the vegetables I'll be using in the protein that are already steamed. Blend the chopped onions and pepper, bell pepper and habanero pepper. Heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the sliced onions and saute until they become soft and fragrant. Next, add the tomato paste and stir well. Then add your favorite seasonings and cook for a few minutes, adding 2 Maggi cubes and white pepper. Keep on stirring. Mix occasionally until the tomato paste is rich, fragrant, and well combined with the onions. Then add in your blended spice. Let it simmer until all the moisture has evaporated and the sauce becomes thick, rich, and nicely reduced. Add salt to taste. paprika. Now add in your prepared protein and give everything a good mix, making sure it's well coated with the flavorful sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes so the protein can cook through and completely absorb the richness of the sauce. Now it's time to add in the chopped spinach and allow it to just cook for a few minutes. Give everything a good mix so all the ingredients are well combined. Finally, add the diced spring onions, slide onions, and add your fried fish. Gently stir everything together, then cover the pot and let it steam for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the flavor to come together without overcooking the spinach. Remember, spinach doesn't have to cook for long. This helps it stay vibrant, tender, and full of nutrients. And there you have it. Our delicious spinach stew is ready to serve. It's rich, flavorful, and packed with nutritious ingredients that the whole family will love. Enjoy it with rice or anything you can pair with. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in next video.